Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to MachineStation. I'm Joe Chavez. Today we have a Haas VF-3 for you. A couple key features: 24+1 side mount automatic tool changer, programmable coolant, does have the remote jog handle. We are going to have a short program for you running in the background. You can hear the spindle, the travels, all that good stuff. If I miss anything, feel free to let me know. I'm going to go ahead and list all the specs and dimensions down below like usual. Why don't we go ahead and jump right into this one. Have it, guys. That was the Haas VF-3. I did forget to mention we did install new weight covers on the Z-axis, so feel free to rewind and check those out again. If you'd like to know more about it, feel free to give me a call, 909-919-9600, or for a quote, pricing, any other information, visit us at the website www.machinestation.us. Guys, you enjoyed the video. If you like the machine, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.